Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of Samsung's latest innovations in display technology, the Samsung 32-inch M8 series 4K UHD smart monitor. This monitor isn't just another screen, it's setting new standards for what a smart monitor can do. Let's explore why it's been dubbed the best Samsung M8 smart monitor 4K available in the market right now. The Samsung M8 series isn't your ordinary monitor. It combines cutting-edge features with sleek design, making it a standout in any workspace or entertainment setup. Whether you're a creative professional, a gamer, or a streaming enthusiast, this monitor promises to deliver an exceptional viewing experience. Let's start with its impressive 4K UHD resolution. With 2160p resolution and HDR10+ support. Every detail on this monitor pops with clarity and vivid colors, ensuring your content looks stunningly lifelike. What sets the Samsung M8 apart is its AI upscaling technology. Powered by the NQMAI processor, it transforms lower-resolution content into near 4K quality, maximizing the potential of its high-resolution display. Imagine controlling multiple devices with just one mouse and keyboard. With the Samsung M8, you can seamlessly switch between the monitor, your Galaxy Tab, and Galaxy mobile devices, streamlining your workflow like never before. For gamers, the Samsung Gaming Hub is a dream come true. Access top games from streaming partners directly on your monitor, no console or PC required. It's your ultimate gaming and entertainment center in one sleek package. Beyond its performance, the Samsung M8 is designed for comfort and convenience. Its height-adjustable stand, along with tilt and pivot options, ensures you find the perfect viewing angle. Plus, with USB-C, HDMI, and USB-A ports, connecting your devices is effortless. That's all for today's review on the Samsung M8 series. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth reviews on the latest tech and gadgets. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay tuned for more insights into the world of technology.